In the Form 12, Economics, chapter number 4, Poverty, today we will discuss in the frame number 12 some of the main schemes and programs regarding the social welfare and economic development, and they are also contributing in the poverty eradication. So starting with this, some of the programs which are very much important from the examination point of view and from the general knowledge point of view also. So number one, we are starting a very important program, that is the PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This program has been launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 20th of August 2014. In this 2014, when he has launched this program, the main objective of the program to bring the poor people into the real financial and economic stream of India. The poor people, especially in the rural areas, they were not having the bank accounts. So if any financial aid or government subsidy is given to the poor people, that's very less part is reaching to the poor people. That is why they have been encouraged and motivated by this program, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, to open the bank accounts. So the main objective of this scheme is to connect more and more people to use banking services and open the bank account, so that the benefits, financial benefits and financial aids can be directly given to the account holder, who is the needy one. It is very successful program. Then Skill India Mission. It is mainly to develop the skills of the youth of India to improve their quality and to improve their production, especially in the industrial sector. So the Skill India Mission started on 28th of August 2014. So it is, the main objective is skill development in the youth to increase the quality and production capacity that will ultimately result in increase in the national income of the country, and that will also develop the entrepreneurial skills in our youth. So this is the Skill India Mission. Now coming to the third program, that is Make in India, to make the India self-reliant, self-sufficient, to produce many of the components, goods which are coming, which we need to import from other countries. When we are importing anything from other countries or rest of the world, we have to pay the foreign exchange. That adversely affect our balance of payment, BOP, and the foreign exchange reserves. So we should be self-dependent in the production, and especially if our manufacturing sector, secondary sector, industrial sector will grow, then we are able to make our country much self-reliant and self-dependent. So the Make in India program that has been launched on the 28th September 2014, it is the basic objective or main purpose to promote manufacturing sector in the country, means secondary sector, because we are doing well in the tertiary sector, means service sector, but there is a great need to improve our secondary sector or manufacturing sector. Then we have at the fourth point, Swachh Bharat Mission or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is a cleanliness drive. As compared to other countries, there is a great need in India to clean our country so that there may be healthy atmosphere and people are much fit and healthy. So this Swachh Bharat Mission Abhiyan was started on the 2nd October 2014 on the Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. So is the main objective of this program was to making India clean country, to make the India very clean and good country. So it is the Swachh Bharat Mission. Then we have fifth program, that is related to the girl child or the woman empowerment. That is, fifth program is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. That was launched on the 22nd of January 2015. It is very much necessary for the girl child to give them protection, to give them social security. So that is possible when the girl will become independent, and that is possible only by providing the education facilities and knowledge and skill development through the training. So this Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program was main theme was that only to make girls socially and financially strong, self-reliant through education. So my dear friends, this education plays very important role. If the girls are well educated, if they are able to develop their skills through the good and updated latest training centers, then we are able, because half of the population is the women population. So this is very important for the development of India. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan. Now, this is the coming to the sixth point, that is Pradhan Mantri PM Mudra Yojana. This is a financial scheme. Mudra is the name of the financial monetary scheme. So in this scheme, it was launched on the 8th April 2015. The loans and financial aid or financial assistance have been provided to the small businessmen and the entrepreneurs, so that they can start their own enterprise and they can develop their existing business also. So in this Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, loan to small businessmen from 50,000 to 10 lakhs rupees. So rupees 50,000 to rupees 10 lakhs loan have been given to the entrepreneurs and the businessmen in this PM Mudra Yojana. So this is very important. It has given initiative, it has given impetus and growth to the people who were lacking of the financial resources and they want to start their new venture, new business and startups also. So this is the PM Mudra Yojana. Now coming to the seventh one, this is the Atal Pension Yojana. This Atal Pension Yojana, that was mainly for the deprived people. Deprived people here, what was the category was considered? That the old age people, the widows. So it is the monthly pension plan to the poor people, old age people, widows and other deprived people of especially unorganized sectors. So it is a monthly pension program, that is Atal Pension Yojana. So till now we have covered the seventh point in this video. The next point we will take in the next video of the same frame.